guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making elephant toothpaste. Today with me, I have my assistant Mia and my assistant Layla. So, first, we need safety. First, bring some safety gloves and also safety goggles. But what we're going to be using is peroxide, yeast, food coloring, dish soap, and also warm water. Alright, so let's get started. First, my sister Layla is going to be getting 1 cup of peroxide. And now, if we pour it in. Now, I'm going to get 2 squirts of dish soap. Now, my sister Mia is going to be getting the yeast and pouring it in the warm water. Go, Mia. Careful. Here we go. Not too much. Now, I'm going to get the food coloring. First, you need the 1 color you wanted, or actually you could just do 1 color, but I'm doing 2 colors. You gotta put it on the side, and then you gotta get the other color if you're using 2 colors. You don't have to use 2 colors. And just put that one on the side. Now, we are going to be putting the yeast and warm water inside of there, but warning, you may want to back up a little bit and then do it. So 3, 2, 1, go! Second. Time to come. Might want to get this all the way. Gets messy, so you might want to beware.
And that is what?
That is how you make elephant toothpaste. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell so you're always notified with all of our videos. And thank you for watching this video.